Okay, here it is. Hurricane.io video episode 2. This time I'm gonna play survival instead of party, and I'm actually gonna play with other ones. Well, other players. And see how it goes. And also talk about, the channel and what I'm gonna do with it. So, yeah. Channel. I want lots of subscribers. My goal is 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal, 1,000. Right now I'm at 21. I was at like 28, then I dropped to like 16 because somebody I think had like 10 accounts from the same person, and they deleted them all, and was the system broke, and I don't know. But I will try that Christmas diss track thing. Diss track TV. That one's really good. Do a Christmas stream, it's really good. It says it doesn't encourage sub for sub, but there's the comments, it always says, well, sub me, I'll sub you, so follow it and sub people. Tell them to sub me. Like I said in the last episode, same thing. But, yeah. Channel is verified. My channel's verified. Did a couple live stream tests, that didn't work so well. Sorry, but try my best. If I can play some of this live after I figure out how to do it. And hope I get some comments. And, most of my activity and comments. Thank you for all who commented, subscribe, because you guys are awesome. I really don't know it until you go on YouTube how awesome you guys are. You often hear people say that, but it's not true until you actually do it, and then you feel how awesome it is, because it's pretty hard to get subscribers. Again, most of my subscribers are probably from that sub for sub stream that I'm talking about. But if you're not, then I recommend that to get subscribers. Yeah. See a lot of hurricanes next to me in the game. Hurricane.io if you want to play it. That's what it is called. Yeah. Don't want to risk anything in the game. Sorry that I'm not talking much. I just want you to enjoy the game. Watch my gameplay. About the channel, yeah. When you see the video, make sure to subscribe, even if you don't think you're going to be active. Just subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, like the video. In the comments, don't be like, oh, subscribe me. This channel isn't meant for subs and sub for sub. If you're really nice and like want to do collaborations and stuff, but if there's anything else, like, oh, whatever, you're not going to reply, then just don't comment. Maybe say something nice in the comment section, but please be good. I don't want any beggars. No one beg for subscribers. Otherwise, you will be banned from watching my videos. Oh, look, there's another hurricane. Where are you at? It's really tiny. Let's get it. And yay. Yeah. He just ate that hurricane. Again. Any of you watching my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's really nice. Make sure to watch them. And if you're interested, I upload every day I can. Every single day that I can do it, I will upload. I will try. If I'm gone for a while, then don't freak out. Just subscribe. And, well, I got a notification. Oh, well. That was another notification, sorry. But, yeah. Make sure to subscribe if I'm gone for a while. Don't be so pushy. Just all you need to do is subscribe and like. And say something nice. I don't need any mean things, mean names. I need nice things. Enjoy my gameplay. I'm trying to create a short video, but I know that longer videos earn more subscribers and more views. I will not be getting any revenue, and I'm not set up for that, but you may see some ads or surveys, and that might help. You may not. I'm not sure how it's set up. It's really hard to set up. But from a device anyway, from like a phone, it's really hard. Then right now. Hope you guys are subscribers too. Again, it's this crack TV Christmas stream because Christmas is coming up. And I really recommend it. I really recommend it. The funny thing is, it's where most of you viewers are probably coming from. Because, well, that's how it is. At 21 subscribers, I think, right now, but I'll make sure to get more, and I'll try my best and use that thing, and I'll sub for sub, and I'll attract views, do things. Need to go. Bye. See you next time.